Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another exciting unboxing, or unpackaging rather, to share with you guys. This is December's Going Gear EDC Club package. I have no idea what's in here. If you don't know what this is basically a subscription service that is offered by Going Gear. Yes, I will have links right down in the description. These packages run $59 a month. The idea is that they include random things that knife and gear enthusiasts enjoy, and the total value of the items inside is guaranteed to be higher than the monthly amount that you pay for it. The catch is that you don't know what's in there, which I find exciting. These are provided to me by Going Gear, so I appreciate that. If you guys want to check them out, there is a link down in the description. Truthfully, I find these really fun. The last two have been excellent. I actually use the valet tray every single day that came in the last one, and there's also exclusive stuff that comes in here, and they did the exclusive mini sheepdog, which I thought was really, really cool. So they definitely do this kind of stuff with popular models, and it makes it really interesting. Thanks so much to my generous patrons for supporting me right now. If you'd like to support this channel, there is, of course, a link for my Patreon right down in the description. Your support means the world to me. And please follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Okay, I'm just dying to get into this. What a beautiful cut. All right, what do we have? We definitely... Ooh, we got a new flashlight. Okay, cool. And we have... What is this? Packlight Nova USB. All right, awesome. And then we have the little informational thing, and we have some stickers. All right, cool. So... the Going Gear EDC Club, this is the information that comes with it. I'll let you guys pause that if you want to. Olight Warrior Mini with a value of $80. I've actually handled another Olight Warrior that I really liked. And then the Illuminate Packlight Nova USB Solar Lantern. In this case, both of these items are extremely interesting to me. As you can see there, basically what these will run you, $80 plus $25 is, what is that, Anyways, this isn't a math channel. This is a knife and gear channel. So let's get this stuff out. I love flashlights. I know, like in the past I've teased like different types of flashlight content, and I kind of showcase it. And I don't do reviews on this stuff because I'm not an experienced flashlight person, right? But all right, so right off the bat, this one is more preferable to me because of the size. Now, if I remember correctly with these, you open them up and there's probably a... yeah. So we're going to get that out of there. It looks like the battery on this guy, we'll get that out, let you guys look. It's an 18650. So there you go. Let's get this guy back down here real quick. And we have a side switch and a tail switch. So, ooh, yeah, nice. And then does it have ramping? Yeah, stepped ramping. And then back here, you just have the one. I wonder if that's, can you hold it down? It must be like automatic turn. There's probably a bunch of different modes. I like Olight flashlights. In this case, it looks like we have a blue, probably aluminum bezel. Nice pocket clip and hat clip attachment, whatever you call those. Again, not a flashlight guy. I'm not like a professional flashlight. If you're new to my channel, most of what I do is knife stuff. That's what I consider to be my area of expertise. So for flashlight nerds, there's probably like a bunch of stuff that's standing out here that I'm not covering, and that's because I'm a noob to this stuff. But I do like flashlights, and I do use them, so this is really, really cool. This is obviously a nice flashlight. I think that's an aluminum body, so very cool. That will absolutely be put to good use. And then charge. Okay, so here we go. Charge outside in direct sun for 10 hours. Charge by micro USB input for 1 to 2 hours. Okay, so it's either or. And then inflate using air valve. What? Inflate using air valve allows partial airflow for easier inflation. Press the button to cycle through the light modes. Power on and off. Press battery button to see how much charge is in the battery. What? Wait, what does this do? Am I stupid? No batteries, no problem. These solar lanterns are designed to lay flat and fit in your backpack, bug-out bag, or glove compartment. Okay, so what this is it's a solar-powered lantern. So that's kind of cool. If you don't have a flashlight on you, right, or you run out of batteries on your flashlight, then you have something like this, which is solar powered and then just acts as a lantern. With a 24-hour max runtime, here we go. With a 24-hour max runtime, these are perfect for that upcoming camping trip, preparing for an emergency, or just adding some extra light to your life. That's actually pretty cool. I got to be honest, I don't do a lot of camping, and I don't have a lot of, I mean, I camp sometimes, just not often. I don't have a serious need for something like that. I'm not going to necessarily be putting myself in a position where I'm going to run the batteries out of my flashlight and then not have anything else as a source of light. But there definitely are people who watch channels like mine who might get into that situation. So that's pretty cool. I find that interesting. Anyways, guys, I'm definitely excited about the flashlight. That's very cool, and that's something that I will probably, definitely hold on to. Yeah, guys, I think that's going to be pretty much it today. If you, be sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. And like I said, if you're interested in the Going Gear EDC Club, check out the link for it right down below. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.